goes. Ooh. Alright, I grabbed the funnel because this part is going to be a little bit tricky. Alright, time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's crack the seal on this vegetable oil. So it says 650, it's about 650 mLs that's supposed to go in here. There it goes. Ooh. Does that look like 650 mLs to you guys? I'm going to say maybe a tad more. Alright, I'm going to leave my mess here as proof that we did just do this. I guess I'll just go ride around for a few minutes. I'll cut the video because it's probably boring watching me ride around, but I want to get 5 to 10 minutes run time at least with this vegetable oil in here and see what happens. It smells like we're cooking something. Cooking a YZ125, I guess. Alright guys, it's been about 15-20 minutes. Just been riding back and forth in the yard, and honestly, other than the smell, it rides the same. There's no difference there. So I guess let's go ahead and drain this and see if it looks weird or anything like that. Whoopsie! Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Alrighty guys, well, as you can see, we've got this oil fiasco here. Pretty much all of the oil spilled out of this container, and I caught it on film, so that's funny. We just got back from riding this thing with vegetable oil in it for about 30 minutes. I've got this container here. Ooh. Wow, that's weird.